So we got two different types of routes here. This is the primitive route that's
cool,
more you'd expect, and then this is like the trail, the bike side. Yeah, this is a good one. The Upper Hillsborough Preserve is a significant conservation area located east of Zephyrhills, Florida, encompassing around 9,961 acres. This preserve plays a crucial role in protecting the upper reaches of the Hillsborough River, offering a natural floodwater storage and serving as a filtration system for runoff. The preserve's landscape is characterized by a diverse ecosystem including pine flatwoods consisting of both slash and longleaf pine overstory, palmetto and gallberry underbrush, and hydric hammock and floodplain swamp along the river. What the hell?
Been there for a long time.
All right, hiking up a different trail, and Brent discovered something. Found a canoe. So if anybody's in the market, bring a friend. Mom want to bring a friend to help carry it. These habitats support a variety of wildlife such as white-tailed deer, northern bobwhite birds, armadillos, gray squirrels, feral hogs, and many, many other species. Now, here you go. All right.
Put your right foot on that one.
There we go.
Left foot, slight weight on that one right there, because it's going to move. And then that's a nice
This
little,
one?
Yep. It's got about a ½ inch rock towards that.
Oh, yeah.
None of those move.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm going to leave this stick just right here. Now, approximately 10,000 years ago, indigenous peoples, likely ancestors of the Tokobega tribe, utilized this region seasonally, drawn by the resources provided by the Hillsborough River corridor. They engaged in hunting and gathering, taking advantage of the abundant wildlife and plant materials. Notably, the area was a source of chert, a type of rock used for crafting tools. Now, in the 1960s, surveyors identified 33 archaeological sites within the preserve, marking its historical significance. Yeah, dude, it does look like a turtle. A big gopher tortoise.
They're pretty quick too.
There's a gopher tortoise. Oh, thank you for letting us get so close to film you, guy. He didn't even put his head in. He's just hanging out. Alright guys, this is a gopher tortoise. So just leave them alone. And they burrow, and live underground. So these larger holes, that's what these guys live on. And they just come out here and he's just grazing around and eating. Right now he's just hanging out. Let us film them. But yes, they are protected. They're a protected species. So don't touch them. Don't touch them and don't take them home. See his back, the old Ninja Turtle here.
Good travels here.
Yeah. Full sweep around him real quick. Don't mind me, buddy. Yeah, that's your good side. Oh my god. Oh god, I can taste it. I'm like, no. So now I gotta
Almost to Crystal Springs.
Now, before this land was acquired by the Southwest Florida Water Management District in the 1960s, the Upper Hillsborough Preserve was primarily used for cattle grazing, timber harvesting, and other agricultural activities, which these practices significantly altered the landscape. Alright, so we're hiking back, and I'll make sure I tag the all trails on here so y'all know which loop I'm talking about, but we're taking a large loop back around. Ran across some of these old swift mud monitoring gear.
All right, Dan goes outside crossing the river. It was successful on the way out. We're going to see if it's successful on the way in. Will Dan make it?
One with the rock.
Remember, that shifts to the left, so stay on the right.
Oh. Oh, man.
Now, those of you watching this, remember, I just made it across successfully both times. All right, that one
haven't stretched like that.
That one out of the water, deceiving. Remember that.
Yes, you are a deceitful one, ain't you? Okay. Okay. Oh, you stay right there.
There's one just in front of it. Put your foot on it. There you go.
Oh, okay, come on now.
Now those two don't move. There you go.
Oh, almost.
Well, it looks like a water moccasin.
What? Oh, what?
Yeah, successful.
In 1959 and 1960, in response to severe flooding in the Tampa Bay region, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers proposed the Four River Basin Flood Control Project. A substantial portion of what is now the preserve was slated for the construction of levees and water control structures to create a large artificial impoundment for floodwater storage. Although these specific structures were never built, the land acquired for this purpose laid the foundation for the current preserve we see today. Later, Swiftmud officially established the Upper Hillsborough Preserve to protect the natural floodplain of the Hillsborough River, ensuring water quality enhancement and flood protection. The preserve also serves as a crucial wildlife corridor, linking various habitats along the river. Today, the Upper Hillsborough Preserve stands as a testament to the region's rich history and ongoing commitment to the environmental stewardship, offering both ecological benefits and recreational opportunities to the public. This park boasts approximately 23 miles of trails and around 14 miles of trails specifically for biking and horseback riding. Now be aware, you will need to carry proof of the horse's most recent Coggins test. I'm not sure what that is, but you have to have it if you're going to be riding. Now, you do have an option to do some primitive camping here, which I love, but if you do, just know that you do have to have a reservation, and you do have to have the permit for camping on you at all times. And like most parks, fishing and frogging are permitted year-round, but make sure you always have your appropriate licenses. This is definitely a park I will be visiting again very soon. I had an awesome time. This is definitely a place, if you love hiking, you will want to check out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really loved making it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Thanks, and God bless.